Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix WhatsApp keeps crashing on your Android phone. All right, let's begin. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone and scroll down to Apps. Find and select WhatsApp from the list of installed applications. Once you open the app settings page, tap Force Stop and confirm it. After that, open the storage section and tap Clear Cache, followed by Clear Data. This removes temporary files and corrupted app data that may be causing WhatsApp to freeze or crash. Next, return to the main settings page and scroll down to Software Update. Tap Download and Install to check for Android system updates. Installing the latest software version can fix compatibility and performance problems that affect WhatsApp. After updating your phone, open the Google Play Store and tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Go to Manage Apps and check for available updates. If WhatsApp appears in the update list, install the latest version immediately. If the crashing issue still continues, restart your phone by holding the power button and volume down button together for around 20 seconds until the Samsung logo appears. Once the phone restarts, open WhatsApp again and the issue should be fixed. So that's basically how you can fix WhatsApp keeps crashing on your Android phone. That's it for this video. Thanks.